Hey everyone, welcome back to PageToPlate. Today we'll be highlighting Abra Berens' blueberry puffies from her junior release cookbook, Pulp. Abra is a chef, former farmer, and writer who believes in eating locally and in season. Her book demonstrates how easy it is to incorporate fruit in not only sweet but savory dishes. To start, cut the puff pastry into 4x4 squares and place on a baking sheet. Abra has a great puff pastry recipe, but we elected to use a store-bought puff pastry. Brush each square with a light amount of olive oil and sprinkle with salt and sugar. Bake at 375 degrees for 12 minutes. Next, make the lemon curd. Place sugar, lemon juice, lemon zest, egg yolks, and salt in a saucepan. Whisk continuously for about 7 minutes until the mixture begins to thicken. Add butter to the pan and mix well. Set aside to cool. Whip the lemon curd with a stand mixer. In a medium bowl, dress the blueberries in a syrup and set aside. Once cool, scoop lemon curd evenly among the pastries. Top with the blueberries and enjoy. Enjoy your blueberry puffies. A list of ingredients and links to Abra's book, website, and Instagram are in the description below. Happy cooking, chefs!